Here we have a 2018 18 plate SMC Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. Now this vehicle does come with the full SMC armoured kit fitted to it. So we get the snorkel, the bonnet scoop, we also get the lower bash bar just down there, and we Raptor style front grille. We also have the 4 superb unscratched unmarked Mamba alloy wheels. Now they are in superb condition and a 20-inch. They're all wrapped in all-terrain off-road tyres. We also have the wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle. As you can see, it really makes this car stand up from the rest. We have the SMC armoured decals on the bonnet, both front doors there as well. We have the side steps on either side, the roof bars, blacked out styling, so we get the black rear bumper with the black window trim, the privacy glass on the rear, also with the black wide arch kit. We have your front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera, tow bar just there as well. Pop this open, you have the dampered rear bed, which gives you a nice spacious sized bed. You also have the mountaintop load liner just there as well, which can be rolled back all the way over there to leave it open. Now stepping back, you can see this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now this vehicle is also lifted by 2 inches, which really does make it stand out from the rest. Go to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior. We do have the full half leather and fabric seats throughout this vehicle with the ISOFIX points, pull down armrests. You have your 12 volt and 230 volt just down there as well, with the electric windows in the back. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. You've got the snorkel just there as well. Now both driver and passenger seats are also heated, and the driver's seat is electrically adjustable. Electric windows, carbon fibre look trim, jumping inside, auto lights just down there, your power folding mirrors there as well. Foot and brake, turn the key, vehicle will then also start. Now you do have the multifunction steering wheel just here as well, with your adaptive cruise control and speedometer. Adaptive cruise control keeps you a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. You have your lane keeping assist just there as well. As you can see, this vehicle has done just over 36,740 miles and is free from any wall-lights on the dashboard. You have your screens on the left and the right hand side. One on the left hand side you can have your entertainment, navigation and phone, and the one on the right hand side can give you all your driving information. Screen just in the centre gives you the home screen. Go to audio. You have your sources, so click on sources. You have AM, FM, DAB, CD and Bluetooth audio. You have your climate control just there as well, which is also displayed just down here. Bluetooth phone connectivity, navigation. You have your mobile apps, go to settings, scroll across, you can see you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto fitted to this vehicle. Click on ambient lighting, you have 7 colours to choose from. Pop car into reverse, rear reversing camera top, you have your front and rear parking sensors. Coming down here, we have your dual zone climate control there as well. 2 heated front seats work exactly how I'd expect it to. Heated windscreen, so for those cold, frosty mornings when your windscreen's full frosted over, click that button, within minutes it'll be defrosted. 2 12 volt connectivities, 2 USB ports with storage. Just here we have your parking sensor, traction control on and off. You have your rear diff lock, downhill ascent assist, 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, and also 4-wheel drive low. 2 nice sized cup holders, soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath as well. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat with WILDTRAK just stitched in, just like the drivers. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.